Hello children, today we are going to study about amazing birds. Let's see few features of these amazing birds. First one is cave swiftlet. Cave swiftlet are basically found in Indonesian islands. They use echolocation to find their way. They have their nest in the caves, and when they fly upward, after that, when they glide downwards, so they sleep while flying for a short while. Then the next bird is Arctic tern. Arctic terns are basically migratory bird. They are light-weighted birds. They can fly up to 40,000 kilometers from Arctic to Antarctic. Their beaks and feet are red in color. The next bird is whistling swan. Whistling swans have long neck with black legs and feet. Their male swans are called cob and the female swans are called pin. They have around 25,000 feathers so that they can survive in the cold areas. They have webbed feet. Now let's move ahead. The next bird is hummingbird. Hummingbird is the smallest bird. They can fly backwards. They have ball and socket joints. They can fly upside down, and they can rotate their wings to 180 degrees. Thank you, children.